Hello my dear student, Algebra lecture number 7, chapter number 2, Quadratic equation. Now in this lecture I am going to explain you some example from practice set 2.3. Question number 2. Given equation x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Solution: x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Let x square plus 2x, for this 5 you write down k. X square plus 2x plus k is equal to, now here plus is there, therefore here you write down x plus a square. Then expand this, x square plus 2x plus k is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. Then comparing the coefficient of similar term. So therefore 2a is equal to 2 and a square is equal to k. Now 2a is equal to 2, therefore a is equal to 2 upon 2 and is equal to 1, and therefore a square is equal to k is also equal to 1. Okay, then this value you substitute in given equation, and therefore x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1, this value minus 5 is equal to 0. Now then these three terms together is x plus 1 square. So x plus 1 square minus, this you take into bracket, 1 plus, this is negative, therefore this sign is changed, positive, plus 5 is equal to 0, and therefore x plus 1 square is equal to 6. This you transfer on this side. Then you take square root of both the side, taking square root. So x plus 1 is equal to plus minus root 6, and therefore x is equal to minus 1. This 1 you transfer on this side. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 6, and therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 6, and hence minus 1 plus root 6 and minus 1 minus root 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, then I explain you example number 3. M square minus 5m minus 3 is a given equation. Solution write down. Given equation m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3, and therefore now this you transfer on this side, that means write down in standard form. Therefore m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Let m square minus 5m, for this you write down k, m square minus 5m plus k is equal to m minus a square. This minus sign is there now, therefore here you take m minus a, and therefore m square minus 5m plus k is equal to, write down expansion of this, m square minus 2am plus a square. Then comparing coefficient of similar term, minus 2a is equal to minus 5 and a square is equal to k, and then this you simplify, therefore a is equal to, this minus and get cancelled, 5 upon 2, and therefore a square is equal to k is equal to square of this 25 upon 4. Okay, and therefore m square minus this value you substitute in equation number 1, Therefore, m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, in your given equation, 25 upon 4 is not there now, and therefore you write on plus and minus so that the value of what equation is remain same. And therefore, now these three terms together is m minus 5 upon 2 square minus this you write down in the bracket 25 upon 4. Now this sign is negative, therefore this sign is changed, minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then and therefore m minus 5 upon 2 square is equal to minus 25. Here you equalize the denominator and simplify. 25 minus 12 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 5 upon 2 square minus 13 upon 4 is equal to 0. And therefore, m minus 5 upon 2 square is equal to, this you transfer on this side, 13 upon 4. Then you take square root. Taking square root, m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to plus minus root 13 upon 2, and therefore m is equal to 5 upon 2 plus minus root 13 upon 2, and therefore m is equal to 5 upon 2 plus root 13 upon 2, or m is equal to 5 upon 2 minus root 13 upon 2. And therefore now here you add and here you subtract, denominator is equal, so therefore you simply add and subtract, and therefore m is equal to 5 plus root 13 upon 2, or m is equal to 5 minus root 13 upon 2, and hence 5 plus root 13 upon 2 and 5 minus root 13 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, now this method is slightly complicated, but go through this video again and again so that you understand. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.